हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ये वीडियो रे आमे जानिबा पीएमसी स्कूल फॉर राइजिंग इंडिया। एटा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा होइते। तेबे स्टेट लेवल रे यहाँ मध्य लागू होइछि। स्कूल मानकुरु पीएमसी स्कूल अंडर रे डेवलप करा जाइछि। ते पीएमसी रे प्रोग्रामेटिक एंड फाइनेंशियल नॉर्म सब अच्छी ताहा डिटेल्स जानिबा। तो सहित करिकुलम पेडागोजी असेसमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उपरे कौन रही देखिबा, गवर्नेंस उपरे कौन रही देखिबा। तो सहित बेनिफिशियरी कौन रही ताहा डिटेल्स जानिबा। तेबे देखंतु दिस इज पीएमसी इंट्रोडक्शन टू पीएमसी स्कूल्स। देखंतु developing more than 14,500 schools from among schools managed by the central government, state UT government, local bodies KV NB as PMC schools। तेरे स्कूल माने PMC स्कूल अंडर रे आसुचंती। The PMC schools will demonstrate excellence and act as belief practices and knowledge center for the entire learning ecosystem। तापर these school will be developed as green school incorporating environment friendly aspect। आउ IIT NIT Central University to be involved in third party verification and performance monitoring। This school be qualitatively strengthened to uphold the principles of the NEP 2020 and to emerge as exemplar schools in their regions that meet the demands of the 21st century। They will provide leadership in their respective regions in providing high quality education in an equitable, inclusive, and joyful school environment। School Quality Assessment Framework SQAF has been developed indicating level of proficiency to be achieved। The total cost of the project is equal to 27,360 crore, central share 18,128 crore and state share 9,232। period 5 years from 2023 to 2026-27। तेबे प्रैग्मेटिक एंड फाइनेंशियल नॉर्म्स एंड पीएमसी स्कूल्स उपर रही देखंतु। तेबे एटा कॉस्ट कथा गला 5 वर्षर कॉस्ट रही 2022-23 रु 2024-27 मध्य केते टंका कॉस्ट हेबो। तापरे देखंतु करिकुलम पेडागोजी एंड असेसमेंट उपरे आउटलाइन कौन रही देखंतु। The PMC schools should act as a network of model schools that will demonstrate excellence and act as belief, practice, and knowledge center from the entire learning ecosystem। Instead of focusing on rote memorizations, the learning environment should equip students with agency and a sense of purpose, the competencies they need to shape there in these schools। Teachings and learning should be conducted more interactively, questions should be encouraged, and classroom sessions should regularly contain more fun, creative, collaborative, and exploratory activity for students for deeper and more experiential learning। And third, own lives and the contribute to the lives of others। देखो सीरियल नंबर सी एक्टिविटी रही प्रोग्रामेटिक नॉर्म्स, फाइनेंशियल नॉर्म्स एंड कंपैरिजन टू समग्र शिक्षा रही। तेबे देखंतु सपोर्ट एट प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन बाल बाटिका, को लोकेशंस ऑफ अंगनवाड़ी इन प्राइमरी स्कूल, introduction of 1 year of Balbatika in existing primary school would be given priority as per NEP para 1.6। requirement of additional classroom, ACR, toilets, drinking water facility, etc. will be provided under the strengthening component for starting Balbatika primary classes। ତେବେ ବାଲବାଟିକା ର ସ୍ଥାପନ ହେବ। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ନର୍ମସ୍ ରହିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ରିକରିଂ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ଼ିଂ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ପାୱାର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଦର ଟିଚିଂ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଏଡ୍ସ ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ 2 lakhs ପାର୍ ସ୍କୁଲ ପାର୍ ଏନମ୍। ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷରେ 2 ଲାख ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦିଆଯିବ। ଫର୍ ବାଲବାଟିକା additional support of 1.5 lakhs may be provided depending upon the requirement as per state specific proposal submitted to PAB. Provision up to 500 per child for teaching learning materials, indigenous toys, games, play-based activity per annum for pre-primary sections in government school. Non-requiring grant of to 3 lakh per school for Balak Fishers, child-friendly furnitures, outdoor play materials, etc. for pre-primary sections in government school and co-located Anganwadi. Then comparisons to SS Samagra Shiksha. Requiring grant including manpower development and other teaching learning aids materials up to 2 lakh per school per annum for pre-primary section in government primary school. Provision up to 500 rupees per child for teaching learning materials, indigenous toys, games, play-based activity per annum for pre-primary section in government school. Non-requiring grant up to 1 lakh per school for Bala Fishers, child-friendly Fisher, outdoor play materials, etc. for pre-primary section in government school and co-located Anganwadi once in 5 years. ତେବେ ଏଇଟା ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ନର୍ମ ବାଲବାଟିକା ପାଇଁ 1 ଟାଇମ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ୱାନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ 5 ଇୟର୍ସ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସମଗ୍ର ଶିକ୍ଷା ଏବଂ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ନର୍ମ ଭିତରେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଜାଣିଲେ। ଦେନ୍ ଟିଚିଂ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଫର୍ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଇନୋଭେଟିଭ୍ ପେଡାଗୋଜି ଉପରେ ରହିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନର୍ମସ୍ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ହେବା କଥା। କୋଡ୍ TLM ଟିଚିଂ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ align to learning outcomes in all language including mother tongue, home language, local language for language and mathematics. Supplementary graded material will be provided to children to enhance the learning level in reading comprehension and numeracy, such as worksheet, workbooks, quizzes, etc. Supplementary TLM for acquiring various skills and competency in cognitive as well as other domains, toys, puzzle, puppets, games, board games, storybooks, anecdotes, jokes, local rhymes, local folk songs, lore, art and craft, online access, etc. Focus will be on the promoting experiential learning such as art integrated and sport integrated education, use of toy based pedagogy, etc. ତେବେ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ନର୍ମସ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟୁ 500 per child per annum up to the primary level as per the state specific action plan. 50% of this provision may be for school or teachers level activity. This intervention should be available for all students from class 1 to 5th. ସମଗ୍ର ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ୍ ରହିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। Provision up to 500 per child per annum up to primary level as per state specific action plan as approved by the national missions of FLN. ତେବେ activity ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। learning enhancement program LEP. This program will include following focus area: classroom based interventions focusing on enhancing the students learning capacity, that is activity based and hands on experiential or art integrated or sport integrated learning to acquire listed learning outcomes. Here teachers are expected to record individual student academic progress to be able to identify areas of improvement from time to time. Academic enrichment in classrooms aimed at engaging students beyond classroom through various interventions such as groups research, group work, portfolios, presentations by students, debates, quizzes, library books, extra reading, project work, etc. Academic enrichment beyond classrooms, topic centered and project based clubs and circles, individualized learning intervention for children with special needs, and identify slow learners, especially with the help of peer learning, parental and volunteer involvements, etc. The topic center and project based clubs and circles will be encouraged and supported at the level of schools both in online as well as offline mode. Example including science circles, maths circles, music and dance performance circles, jazz circles, poetry circles, language circles, drama circles, debate circles, sports circles, club, eco clubs, photograph clubs, social science club, digital club, heritage club, literary clubs, art clubs, health and well-being clubs, and yoga clubs, and so on. तेबे एटा हला एलईपी उपरे फाइनेंशियल नॉर्म देखंतु फाइनेंस सपोर्ट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड अंडर स्कूल स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट एज पर द एलोकेशन ऑफ द फ्लेक्सी फंड अंडर क्वालिटी सब्जेक्ट टू viable proposal. This intervention would be available for all students from class 6 to 12th. समग्र शिक्षा ପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ LEP may be provided for the weaker student including CWs and at a unique cost up to 500 per student after the proper identification. तापर देखନ୍ତୁ activities competency based assessment program programmatic norms कौन रही pedagogy and assessment adopted in this school will be more experiential, holistic and competency based. Focus will be on learning outcomes of every child in every grade. Assessment of quantitative, verbal and logical reasoning skills. Assessment at all levels will be based on conceptual understanding and application of the knowledge to real life situation and will be competency based. Provision देखंतु 25,000 पर स्कूल समग्र शिक्षा up to 10 to 20 lakhs per district depending upon the size of the district and state. तेबे holistic report card for students, holistic 360-degree multi-dimensional report showing progress, uniqueness of each learner in cognitive, affective and psychomotor domains. Or AI based software would be developed and used by students to help track their growth through their school years. NEP para 4.35 DIT dates will conduct the orientation on HPC for teachers and also conduct programs for creating awareness among the parents and community. Financial देखंतु 20 rupees per student for all children including 5 rupees at the state level for development of format for HPC. समग्र शिक्षार 5 rupees per student अच्छी. Then activity school readiness module in all class 1 schools, school readiness Vidya Pravesh, an interim 3-month play-based schools readiness preparations module for all students who enter grade 1, which should include monthly assessment framework 3 in number. NEP para 2.5 रही. Teacher resource material or activity handbook, provision of teacher manual, activity handbook, resource material for teachers to align their innovative pedagogy with learning outcomes and grade level competency. Prepare of no cost, low cost, do it yourself type TLM by the school teacher. Provision 200 per teacher teaching at primary or upper primary level. Additional support up to 150 may be provided depending upon the requirement. up to 200 per teacher teaching at secondary senior secondary. Then provision up to 150 per teacher teaching at primary level रे रही समग्र शिक्षा रे देखंतु राष्ट्रीय आविष्कार अभियान RA to promote science and math learning at upper primary to senior secondary for classes 6 to 12 as per the guideline of RAA in order to inculcate the following mathematics and computational thinking will be given increased emphasis throughout the school years, starting with the foundational stage through a variety of innovative methods, including the regular use of puzzles and games that make mathematical thinking more enjoyable and engaging. To promote science and math learning at upper primary to senior secondary, as per the guidelines, RAA in order to inculcate the following scientific temper and evidence-based thinking, creativity and innovativeness. NEP Para 4.23 Capacity building of math teachers for promoting the study of joyful mathematics related to real life experiences and mathematical thinking involving artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science, etc. NEP Para 4.25 Mentoring will be done by higher educational institution. Finance देखो depend upon the school specific proposal which could be include science and math kit at the rate 10,000 per kit. 50% of this provision will be for school or teachers level activity. Topic centered and project based club circle including science circles and math circle having a total children of more than 25, 5,000 per circle, and exposure visit up to 500 per student as per action plan. Mentoring by eminent expert 10,000 देखु समग्र शिक्षार यहाँ depend upon the state specific proposal which would be include science math kit, science math fair exhibitions, capacity building of science math teachers, exposure visit, mentoring by higher educational institution. Then activity introduction of vocational education at secondary and senior secondary. Vocational educations to introduce as an integral part of general education at secondary and senior secondary level. The vocational subjects are to be introduced as an additional or mandatory subject at the secondary level as compulsory at this senior secondary level. Vocational education will be integrated in the educational offerings of all secondary school in a phased manner over the next decade. Skill labs will be also be set up and created in the school in a hub and spoke model which will allow other school to use the facility. NEP Para 16.5 Introduction training of 10 days and in service training of 5 days of teachers or skill trainers including retraining of existing vocational trainers in DET, SCRT, NCRT, PSS, CIV in relevant job rules, vocational interventions enhancing entrepreneurships opportunity with the local industry through internships and developing tie-off for apprenticeship. Skill-based aptitude test SBAT will be introduced. Children will be encouraged to intern with local retailers, artisans, and other informal micro enterprises, along with opportunities related to development of state of art knowledge and futuristic technology such as IT, AI, machine learning, 3D printing, IoT technology, data analytic, space technology, business intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, cyber security, data science, robotic, etc. School will be aligned with the requirement for the emerging economy as per the industries revolution 4.0 promotion of linkage with sector skill council. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ financial norms requiring for tools and equipment 5 lakhs per school per job role, one time grant, cost of assessment and certification 600 per student for class 10th and 12th. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ others then library ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା 5,000 for school up to primary, 13,000 for school up to upper primary, 15,000 for secondary, 20,000 for senior secondary रही देखते। तापर स्पोर्ट्स फिजिकल एजुकेशन रही देखते 5 lakhs for developing playground field, 50,000 for sports equipment, up to 1 lakh for engagement sports, yoga teacher, coaches. Innovations ପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ flexible funds for innovations up to 40% of a PMC school proposal, school specific project to create and nurture holistic and well-rounded individual equipped with key 21st century skills such as critical thinking, creativity, scientific temper, communications, collaborations, multilingualism, problem solving, ethics, social responsibility and digital literacy. देखते तापरे infrastructure adequacy, functionality and aesthetics उपरे outlines देखते PMC school should provide a learning atmosphere to every student where they can acquire maximum knowledge and skill to grow as a responsible individual. This will ensure that teachers and students, including children of all gender and children with disability, receive a safe, inclusive and effective learning environment and care comfortable, inspired to teach and learn in their schools. This may be attained by upgrading and enlarging the schools that already exist, building additional quality schools not exist, and providing safe and practical conveniences, especially for the girl children and or hostels, so that all the children have the opportunity to attend a quality school of the appropriate level. रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल्स एंड हॉस्टेल रही देखु NEP पारा 3.2 रे देन स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ एक्जिस्टिंग स्कूल ऊपर रही प्रोविजन फॉर strengthening activity infrastructure support to be provided for the Bal Batika in primary school, science and math lab, science social science lab, language lab, computer room, art culture room, library, ACR, water, toilet, essential classroom, furniture, staff room, boundary wall, etc. Major repair, minor repair, electrification, energy efficient, solar power, adoptions of organic lifestyle, rain water harvesting system, solar panel, barrier free access. All proposal for strengthening of existing school must contain a non-negotiable component of convergence with provisions of various other ministries. तापरे ग्रीन स्कूल देखो schools will be developed as green school in incorporating environmental friendly aspect like energy efficient using solar panel, LED lighting, nutrition garden with natural farming, herbal garden, waste management, plastic free, water conservation and harvesting, the study of traditions, practices related to protection of environment, climate change related hackathons, and awareness generation to incorporate organic lifestyle, digital library, provision of digital library, comparison of tablets with preloaded educational content for students of classes upper primary and above, green school ପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ LED lighting at up to 2000 up to 5000 as per enrollment of 200 students. Study of traditions or practices related to protection of environment up to 10,000 as per the enrollment more than 200. Digital library देखो provision up to 40 tablet per school and 15,000 per tablet one time grant. Then ICT and digital initiative, the component will cover classes 6 to 12th. The recurring grant under ICT and digital initiative for school will be available for ICT smart classroom, adopting futuristic technology such as IT, AI, machine learning, 3D printing, IoT technology, data देखो ये सब non recurring grant up to 10 lakh, smart class, virtual classroom, DTH channel, others. Recurring grant 2.5 lakhs. Then transport and escort facility উপরে রয়েছে 6,000 per child per annum up to class 12th. para 6.4 रे अछि NEP. तापरे फ्री यूनिफॉर्म टू एक्सेस GOI funds. The state RT rules must declare uniform as a child entitlement up to class 8th. 2 set of uniform for all girls and children belonging to SC/ST BPL family up to class 8th at an average cost of to 600 per children per annum. The option of the cash transfer will be allowed in the form of DBT to Aadhaar link bank account. 2 set of uniform देखो समग्र शिक्षा रे all girls and children belonging to SC/ST BPL family in government school up to class 8th at an average cost 600. free textbook देखो तो यहाँ then outline रही it is critical to train teachers with with the latest trends in curriculum and pedagogy assessment. This dynamism in the education system requires teachers to be lifelong learners who receive prior training and upskilling opportunity. Teachers are also the key enablers in the education ecosystem. Further, school leadership development has become one of the key levelers for improving the quality of education, and there is ample evidence to warrant that expanded efforts to improve leadership skills would pave the way for optimizing learning environment, activity capacity building through that देखो provision 3 lakh per date for capacity building program in PMC school, including activities such as development of high quality locally contextualized content, including development of question banks based on learning outcomes up to 20,000 per content, capacity building of teachers up to 2,500 per teachers, teaching including subject specific teachers, science, maths, school principals, special educators, ICT teachers, master trainer for training of Anganwadi worker. Then inclusive practices and gender equity উপরে রয়েছে provisions for children with special needs CWSN ପାଇଁ ରହିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ NEP para 6.10 ରେ provision 3,500 per child per year for children with special need as per specific proposal. This will include aids and appliances in learning materials etc. Provision of special educators at school level up to 20,000 at the elementary level, up to 25,000 at the secondary. Provision of stipend for CWS and girls 200 per month for 10 months in addition to student component from pre-primary to senior secondary level. Identification of screening camp at school level up to 2,000 per camp. These camps will be held for early identification of disabilities and the data of identified children shall be maintained by the state. Self-defense training for girls, training for 3 months for inculcating self-defense skill, 5,000 per month for 3 months for a total number up to 50 girls in class 6 to 12th. Provision up to 10,000 per month for 3 months for a total number of more than 50 girls in class 6 to 12th. Then special equity project, special school specific project for enhancing access, retentions and quality such as enrollment drives, retentions and motivation camps, awareness camps including programs on health and hygiene, gender sensitizations module etc. School may also ensure provisions of sanitary pads to all girls 7 to 12 classes. Focus on socio-economically disadvantaged group SEDGS, NEP para 6.2, NEP para 6.15 to 20. Webinar and online workshop for teachers, principal and student. Management, monitoring and governance. The PMC school should ensure the robust management, monitoring and governance system for examining the impact of school transformation. It includes exploring the convergence activity, child tracking, NEP para 3.2. In order to achieve universal participation in school by carefully tracking students as well as their learning level, for child tracking of student up to 10 rupees per student may be provided. Beneficiaries and satisfactions. The quality of school in PMC school should be evaluated by the role and effectiveness of different stakeholders who are involved in the education system: principals, teachers, students, parents and the community. Community participation including training of SNC, NEP para 1.5. Activity to enhance community participation, monitoring universal access. School will undertake community sensitizations, parental advocacy and leveraging parents as a resource for ECC, FLN, elementary, secondary level. Workshop lecture program for creating awareness on RT Act, learning outcomes, holistic report card, school-based assessment, etc. Involvement of community and alumni in volunteers efforts for enhancing learning such as one-on-one tutoring, the teaching of literacy and holding of extra help sessions, teaching support, guidance for educator, career guidance and mentoring to student, etc. Capacity building and support to SNC capacity to be built to give better student support in enrollment, attendance and performance, and support in improving governance, monitoring, oversight, innovative initiative by local stakeholders. School will develop their school development plan with the involvement of their SMC. These plans will then become the basis for the creation of school cluster development plan up to 10,000 per school subject to a specific plan. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ସ୍କୁଲ ଟେମ୍ପଲେଟ୍ ଫର୍ PMC एक्टिविटी क्लीनिंग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फिजिकाली यूनिट कॉस्ट ये सब अच्छी कि नहीं देखिए। सेपार लेटर देखु प्रिपेरेसन ऑफ एनुअल वर्क प्लान PMC स्कीम फोर्थ पेज PMC स्कूल लिस्ट सब रही। Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel. See you soon.